this is Noah, aka Marshmallow. Today, my dog is looking at that bird right there. Right there. I can't zoom in anymore, but there's a red robin, or a robin, sitting right there, and he's a hunting dog. He's like, I'm going to get that gosh dang bird. There it is. You can't see it. Oh, it just moved. It's so windy. Oh gosh. My hands are moving. It's like really windy outside right now. I'm trying to get closer. Oh, I was trying to get worms. Here. Oh, it's so windy. I'm trying not to move. Sorry, guys. Hey, my 11 subscribers, make it 21 subscribers. No, flew away. There it is. It's up there. And then the dog starts running. Bye. Birdie, it's right there. Birdie, stop annoying my doggy. Oh, he's running. He's on the move. He's on the move. Birdie, he's that little outline on the barn. Birdie, 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 birdie. Oh, guys, I'm gonna start doing some Watch Dogs 2 videos. I kind of did the first part. Sorry, without you guys. I'm so sorry. Don't yell at me. But I'm gonna be making videos like that. And where'd Puppy go? Oh, Ryder's all the way over there now. See you guys later. Oh, there's a puppy, Winnie. See you guys later. Bye.